Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to sell Bitcoin on Coinbase app step by step. And by the way, if you're new to crypto and want to get started, I've left some helpful links in the description below. You can sign up for Coinbase, Gemini, Robinhood, Webull, etc. Now let's get right into the tutorial. So now you can see the Coinbase app on my phone. Just go ahead and click on the Coinbase app on your phone. All right, now you can see your crypto balance. So I am going to click on my crypto balance. And now you can see that I have just 22 cents of Bitcoin. Oh wow, I've got an increase of around 455% increase. My God, I bought this in 2022. Wow. All right, now once you click on that, you will see this screen. So you will be able to see your average cost, your percentage of Bitcoin portfolio, and you can see your last transactions when you bought this. All right, and once you scroll down, you will see an option or a button for buy and sell. So go ahead and click on buy and sell. And at the very bottom, you can see transfer and buy and sell. So in this case, since I'm going to sell it, I'm going to sell it for cash. I'm going to select sell crypto for cash. So I'm going to tap on sell crypto for cash. All right, now you can enter the amount you want to sell. Since I have 22 cents, I'm gonna put 22 cents. You can even put sell all there if you want to sell everything, and then tap on review order at the bottom. So go ahead and tap on review order. All right, so it's gonna show you the sell amount. Sell to, it will be cash since I want to take the cash, and at the bottom you will see sell now. So if everything looks good, go ahead and tap on sell now. And once you tap on sell now, you will see a screen where it says order submitted. And now within a few seconds, you will see if it successfully goes through. It says trade successful in our case. So that means we were able to sell all the Bitcoin and it was successful. All right, thank you guys, and we'll put some great links in the description below. Have a great day.